In just few months, I went from being nobody to being able to pay my own college fees. I am currently doing an internship that I love, making money from freelancing and also creating my own content. Hi, I am Suryansh and I am a second year student at Scalar School of Technology, and in this video, I am going to tell you how I paid my own college fees and how can you do the same. Watch the video till end and you will get a fair idea of earning money in college. Let's get started. Before I tell you different ways to earn money, let me tell you the best ways which work for me. And for that, we need to go back in 2021. During my 12th, when everyone was studying for JEE, for the reason even they don't know, I fell in love with creating videos. I used to watch top YouTubers like Ali Abdal, Tarun Speaks, Sangkokun, and my love for creating videos grew stronger. I always wanted to make videos, but I never got started. Actually, I didn't have any money, support, or guidance towards it. So I kind of dropped the idea of creating videos, and after my 12th got over, I joined Scalar School of Technology because I heard that it is exceptional, and now I think it is actually exceptional, but not for the reasons that you think. I'll tell you why. The beginning of college was good. We were busy with classes, assignments, projects, and having fun with friends. But after my first trimester, we had a course called Creator Module, and this single course literally changed my life. It was a mandatory course in our curriculum, and I have the best time of my life ever since I took it. I met some of the amazing mentors like Swaroop Bhaiya, Vijay Bhaiya, and Shashank Bhaiya from the marketing team of Scalar, and we had some amazing sessions from top influencers like Mohak Mangal. They gave my passion a direction and turned it into a goal. They taught me how to make better videos, how to make money from content creation, and many more exciting things. But it was not as simple as it sounded. Making videos, handling my academics together wasn't easy at all. I had to finish all my assignments, all my projects by 5 p.m. by any cost so I can work on my videos till night. Time for parties? Nope. This period was a nightmare because I saw failures after failures after failures for 10 months until it all worked out one day. I started making money by working as a freelance content writer, video editor, and also grew my own YouTube channel. I was earning enough to pay my own monthly expenses, but this was just the beginning. Soon after my first year got over, our internship season begins. I initially got many rejections, but then there came a company and we had a group discussion with CEO in which I outperformed and got a chance for interview round. And after passing those 2 interview rounds, I finally got selected as SD intern at e3electric.ai and now working in one of the coolest and most productive environment. And if we talk about the monetary side, then this company pays me 35,000 a month. All my income sources together helped me enough to pay my own college fees, and I immediately called my parents and said that I'll pay my own fees this year. I don't think I need to tell you that how happy they were. So if I have to list down, then content creation, video editing, content writing, and internship, these were the ways which helped me paying my own college fees. But the best ways don't actually mean that they'll work for everyone. Best ways are the ones which you love to work on, and these things work for me because I like them. But that doesn't mean that these need to work for you too. Therefore, there are some other ways to earn money as a student. Here's the list of some of the most popular ways to earn money as a student. Number 1, freelancing. No matter what skills you are selling, whether it's creative or technical, there's always a demand for freelancers. If you can effectively present your skill to people, then surely you can make good money here. Second way is online tutoring. If you are just trying to earn some pocket money, then online tutoring is for you. Even if you can spare 1 hour every day, you can easily earn enough to handle your own expenses. Third way is web development. There's always a demand for web developers, but you need to master some of the AI tools to get ahead in this. And if you put good time, then you can surely earn high enough. Fourth way is AI-powered services. It is a very broad term, but in simple words, if you can provide services like content writing, image or video generation using AI, then this way is for you. You can actually earn a lot, but only if you can find a right client and work efficiently. But all of this aside, I'll never suggest you to do anything at the cost of your academics. So learn to balance both academics and side hustle if you want to earn money as a student. Comment down and let me know which way you are going to try first. Also, you can check out my YouTube channel, link in description, to see more videos like this one.